I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials: a data-capable USB cable and the OnePlus Nord Ce unlocked. Once connected to your PC, pull down the notification shade and tap the USB charging notification to change mode to file transfer or USB tethering ready. You do this because the phone defaults to charging for safety. Switching mode exposes the networking interface. Make sure battery is above 10% to avoid interruptions, and if prompted, accept any PC trust dialogues so the computer can see the device. Next, open Settings, go to Wi-Fi and Internet, then Hotspot and Tethering. That path is where Android exposes tether services. Once you flip the USB tethering toggle, the phone creates a network interface over the cable. Your PC detects it as an Ethernet or tether connection. You do this because tethering shares your mobile data link directly and is often faster and more stable than Bluetooth. If Windows or Mac OS installs drivers, let it finish. The connection will appear in the PC network settings. Finally, ensure mobile data is enabled and you have signal, then test browsing on the PC. Speed reflects your mobile plan. If nothing appears, make sure the cable is in the phone's primary USB port and try another cable or port, since power-only cables are common. If the PC shows limited connectivity, restart both devices to reset drivers and obtain a fresh IP address. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle airplane mode on the phone for 5 seconds, then off, to quickly refresh the mobile radio and re-establish data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.